Oh my gosh. See, I told you we're in the PES FFW. Train spotters. Alright, FFW. No, I mean, not FFW. SVR tornado possible. Okay. Alright, dude. It's on KZZ31.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New and underpasses. Southwestern Hunter.
Alright, here we go.
Northwestern New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Alright, bro.
A severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Berks County,
Oh my God.
southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County.
Oh my God, so many counties.
Bucks County in
6 counties down.
southeastern
Oh, 7? How many counties? Alright, 7. Alright. 7 counties.
Severe thunderstorms were located.
It's on WXL39.
From 18 Oaks to near Green Mountain. East at 40 miles per hour. Wilson, Southern, administer, Helltown, Chalmers, Simpson.
Goodness, what the hell is happening, bro?
New Hope. Remain alert for a possible
Yep,
tornado.
possible tornado.
If you spot a tornado,
Whoa, they called off for a second. What the heck?
central room in a sturdy
That's weird.
structure. For your protection, move to an
Alright,
interior
bro.
room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large...
Dude, what the hell is happening?
Wilts or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your location...
It's on KI-28.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch. Unit the conditions. Do not drive your vehicle through
What the heck?
roadways.
Oh my God.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton. Remember, keep your room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a severe thunderstorm. Cloudy ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors, watch flooded roadways.
Goodness, what the heck?
With these storms and nearly flash
Oh
flooding.
my gosh, what the hell is this?
Through flooded roadways.
This is literal insanity.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, Montgomery, and Northampton.